Thanks for tuning in. So I've just made a shortcut at the beginning of the video. I'll put my pre-lamb video link in the description of the video, just using about a third of a cup of tomato puree, and I'm just going to give that a good stir. So a nice British Indian restaurant style lamb jalfrezi, and the ginger and garlic's caramelised slightly, so that's all going to be scraped back into the dish. Just as that's bubbling away, tried and tested, only using the best. Some Taste of India mix powder, about a tablespoon, this serves two. And that tomato paste has been cooked out. So I made this last week. There's a video in the description of how I make the pre-cooked onions, peppers and a host of other interesting ingredients. So everything's about pre-cooking. I'm not going to repeat myself too much because I spent about 6 hours making about 6 videos last week. I had some really good fun. So just sizzle those, get everything to a good temperature. Salt to taste. And we've got some base gravy again. That's just come out of the microwave. Just going to add 250 millilitres and give that a good stir and let it come back to a tremendous temperature once again. All the links for the pre-cooked ingredients are in the description. So once you've done all your prep, it's really nice and simple. Yeah, nice short video, but if I was to actually cook everything from scratch, you'd be talking a very long video. So this is all condensed down, and let's have a close-up. A little bit steamy, but the oil's splitting, and I'm just going to fry that off a little more. And just to finish, only the best again, Taste of India garam masala. Use any garam masala you want. Just half a teaspoon, give it a stir in and cook for about 45 seconds. So I'm cooking these 2 portions for a friend. So I'm not going to show you the nicely garnished with coriander in the dishes. They're just going to go into some containers, and I'm going to nip around his house. Not allowed to go in anybody else's house in Birmingham, so I'll be knocking on the door at arm's length with a mask on and saying, here you go guys, here's your curries. So just as I'm going to say to him, have a great night, enjoy your cooking, hope you enjoy the curry. Thanks for watching.